Hello friends, in this video I am going to teach you some problems on even and odd signals. First let's see first problem, that is determine even and odd parts of the signal. Here we need to find the even and odd part of the particular signals. That is, the first signal is x of t is equal to e power t. Here e power t is our signal. Now I want to find the even and odd part of the e power t signal. Here coming to the solution, that is, we know that x of t is equal to e power t, that is given by the question, and here I simply substitute wherever t in this signal, simply substitute in place of t as minus t, then we can get x of minus t is equal to e power minus t. Now we already know, if we want to find the even part of the particular signal, then the equation as or formula as xc of t is equal to 1 by 2 x of t plus x of minus t. Here we already find the x of minus t value, that is e power minus t. Now simply substitute this x of t value and x of minus t value in this equation, then we can get 1 by 2 e power t plus e power minus t. It is in the form of e power theta plus e power minus theta by 2, that is nothing but cos ht. Okay, and finally our even part, that is xc of t equal to cos ht. Now I need to find the odd part of the signal xc of x e power t. Okay, that is x naught of t is equal to 1 by 2 into x of t minus x of minus t. Okay, here substitute the same values, that is x of t and x of minus t in this equation, then we can get 1 by 2 into e power t minus e power minus t, that is nothing but sin ht. Okay, this is the first signal. Now coming to the second signal, that is x of t is equal to 3 plus 2t plus 5t square. Here the signal is x of t is equal to 3 plus 2t plus 5t square. That is, coming to the solution, we know that x of t is equal to e power t. Oh sorry, this is for the first signal. Here in place of e power t you consider this one, that is 3 plus 2t plus 5t square. Now x of minus t, x of minus t is nothing but wherever t present in the given signal, simply in place of t substitute minus t, that is 3 plus 2 into minus t plus 5 into minus t whole square, that is nothing but 3 minus 2t plus 5t square. Here also the same formulas are used to find the even and odd parts of the signal, that is xc of t is equal to 1 by 2 x of t plus x of minus t. Here x of t is nothing but 3 plus 2t plus 5t square, and x of minus t is nothing but 3 minus 2t plus 5t square. Substitute that values in this equation, then we can get this equation. Here observe 3 plus 3, here 3 and here 3, 3 plus 3 is nothing but 6, and 5t square is nothing but 10t square, and this plus 2t minus 2t get cancelled, then we can get 1 by 2 into 6 plus 10t square, and finally 3 plus 5t square is our even part of the signal. Now consider the odd part of the signal, that is x naught of t is equal to 1 by 2 into x of t minus x of minus t. Okay, here also same thing, substitute that equations, that is 1 by 2 into 3 plus 2t plus 5t square minus 3 plus 2t minus 5t square, then we can get 1 by 2 4t, that is 2 1s are 2 2s are, that is 2t. This is the odd part of the signal. Now let's see the next problem. Okay, here consider this is the signal, that is x of t is equal to sin 2t plus cos t plus sin t cos 2t. This is a signal. Now we want to find the even and odd parts of the signal. First determine x of minus t, that is wherever t present in this signal, simply substitute in place of t as minus t, then we can get sin 2 of minus t cos of minus t plus sin of minus t into cos 2 of minus t. We know sin minus theta is equal to minus sin theta and cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. By using that formula, here observe sin 2 of minus t, that is minus sin 2t, and cos of minus theta. It is in the form of cos of minus theta, that is nothing but cos theta. That's why I written here cos t, and here sin minus t nothing but minus sin t. Cos 2 of minus t is nothing but cos 2t. Okay, cos 2t. And here coming to the even signal or even part of the signal, that is xc of t is equal to 1 by 2 into x of t plus x of minus t. Simply substitute the x of t and x of minus t values in this equation, then we can get this is, that is 1 by 2 into sin 2t plus cos t plus sin t cos 2t minus sin 2t cos t minus sin t cos 2t. Okay, now after performing the simplification in this equation, we can get this equation, that is 1 by 2 2 cos theta. Here 2 and 2 cancel, then we finally got the signal as cos t, that is xc of t is equal to cos t, that is the even part is equal to cos t. Now coming to odd part, that is x naught of t is equal to 1 by 2 into x of t minus x of minus t. Here also same thing, substitute the x of t and x of minus t values in this equation, then we can get 1 by 2 sin 2t plus cos t plus sin t cos t plus sin 2t minus cos t plus sin t cos 2t. Here after simplifying this expression, we got this, that is 1 by 2 2 sin 2t plus 2 sin t cos 2t, and finally after multiplying this 1 by 2 to inner terms, then we can get sin 2t plus sin t cos 2t. This is the odd part of the signal, and this is how to calculate or to find the even and odd parts of the particular signals. I hope you understood this topic. Thank you for watching this video.